Okay, so this video I want to talk about shooting live videos. Or the difference between live and scripted. For me, live is much better and you get used to them. It's daunting at first, don't get me wrong, but you do get used to them. And what you've got to remember with live videos is try and not do the it's taken me ages to get used to this, but you've got to pause. So just have a pause. You know, there's no need to just pause when you're thinking. Just pause, create space for yourself, and that's all you've got to do. And it also slows you down and it stops you getting all quick. But the reason why you want to do live videos on Facebook is because Facebook loves the algorithm side of things of live videos over recorded videos. It will push your live to more people. Facebook's all about interacting people. So it wants live videos on its platform and it doesn't want anyone going off on other platforms. So if you put a Vimeo link on there or whatever, it will take them away. So record your live videos and you'll get more attention. Now you need a couple of bits of kit, and you don't really need this if you don't want to, but you can invest in it if you really want to just up your game slightly. One is this wonderful little tripod thing that you can put anywhere. You can put in your car, you can wrap it around stuff, and your phone sits in the top here. So all you do is put your phone in. Always shoot horizontal. Always shoot horizontal. We then got a light, which just plugs on the bottom. And all it does is makes your face, can't really see it on this video, but it just makes you look a lot brighter on the video, which is a lot better for the camera. And the final piece is a microphone, which plugs into the bottom and just wires up to you, a bit like what I've got on here. So your voice comes along better and it works a lot better for the stream. And it just looks a bit more professional in my opinion. Now, if you're out and about and you want to shoot a video, you don't necessarily need the light and the microphone. You know, you can just have your headset in. I use my headset a lot to talk on my phone, so it works really well for me. But live videos is about getting comfortable doing it. And like anything, like viewings, like marketing, like anything, it's about the consistency of putting yourself in that situation. Another tip, don't look at yourself in the screen. Look at the little camera bit at the top, which has all of your camera bit at the top of things. On an iPhone, if you tilt it, it's the top left, it's where your earpiece would be. Look into that. And then it looks like you're looking at the camera, as opposed to if you look at yourself, it looks like you're looking sideways at it a bit. And that makes a big difference because I think you're talking straight into the camera, you're talking to people and you want that personal interaction with people. So it's vitally important that you remember to pause, not do the ums. Try and get a microphone. I think the sound quality is a lot better. If you can, get a light and talk into the camera. Don't talk into the phone or look at yourself. Really, really important that you go live over recorded and scripted, and try not to go scripted because it doesn't flow as well. People know you're trying to read a script, and really most of the videos that you want to be doing is just telling your story. So it should be easy to tell your story, whatever it might be that you've done that week, whatever your small win was, whatever your pain points were, whatever successes you've had, whatever failures you've had. Be vulnerable, open up to people and just tell your story, and people buy into that more and more. People want to see who's behind the brand, and going live, getting that engagement really helps. And I really think live over scripted is a million times better. But if scripted gets you started, if you're a bit camera shy and you just want to get started, by all means go scripted. But remember, imperfect action is better than no action. So don't start thinking this video is no good. I did a few ums, I made a few mistakes. Don't know whether they want to see my blooper video, but I did that because I don't mind sharing people bloopers. That was my early days of doing it. So you've just got to get used to doing it. And the more you do it, the better you're going to get at it. But you need to be going live at least twice a week into your groups that you're trying to infiltrate, to become influencers, to let people know what you do as a business, let people know that you are in the game, that you want to do X, Y, Z, rent to rent, property, sourcing, lead generation, whatever it is that you do, and just tell everybody that you're doing it. and tell as many people as you can on a live video. And don't worry about the reaction. You know, you get hated, you get hated. Who gives a shit? You know, don't worry about that. The more attention you get, the more money you're going to get. And that's the key fundamental to this.